Hurricane Milton unleashed its fury on Florida's west coast late Wednesday, making landfall just south of Tampa, near Sarasota. The powerful storm delivered fierce winds, extensive power outages, and a devastating tornado outbreak, impacting over 3 million residents across the state. Early Thursday morning, the hurricane moved off Florida's east coast, leaving behind a trail of destruction and chaos.
Okay, here comes the storm. It's ripping. You can hear the wind. It is howling now. Definitely over 50 miles an hour. It is gusting, got lightning. You can see the water in the streets. Woo! It's ripping, stuff's flying.
St. Lucie County's emergency operations confirmed that at least 4 lives were lost during Wednesday's tornado outbreak.
Still have power. Knock on wood. I don't know if you can hear it howling. Stuff is starting to come apart. Okay, I'm going inside.
Wind gusts reached 102 miles per hour in St. Petersburg, Sarasota, and Siesta Key, with the strongest gusts clocked at 107 miles per hour near Venice. Even in West Palm Beach, a gust of 92 miles per hour was recorded, likely linked to a nearby tornado. Overnight, Daytona Beach reported an 84 mph gust, and Orlando International Airport saw hurricane-force winds reaching 74 miles per hour. In Madeira Beach, just weeks after Hurricane Helene caused flooding, a dramatic scene unfolded as a house caught fire, likely from downed power lines due to Milton's powerful winds. In response, President Joe Biden reached out to Sarasota Mayor Liz Alper, offering federal support for recovery efforts. Mayor Alper also spoke with Secretary of Transportation Pete Buttigieg, who offered additional support ahead of the storm's landfall.
got stuff back here. Let me get this back here. Wrapped it around the tree. Look at the devastation here. It's really unbelievable. It is such a devastation. Which you won't be able to see in the video. Really, really devastation. But a very small area. If it was your place.
The National Hurricane Center and local meteorologists warned of life-threatening storm surges, with some predictions exceeding records from the 1920s.
You can see the devastation, and it obviously was a tornado because it's such a very small area. Here we got some more over here in the tree. I mean, it's really, really bad. As you can see, we'll look down the road here. This road, followed this road. Our house is just the other side of this, probably 2 blocks over. It went over, took down some huge oak trees in the backyard and numerous other things. It tore some fascia off my house, some siding off my house, but nothing.
While upper-level winds helped broaden Milton's size before landfall, they also weakened the storm from its earlier Category 5 strength.
There, I am told, I have not went over there, that the solar collectors that Duke had over there, that most of them were leveled. I do not know that.
The storm had initially formed in the Bay of Campeche on October 5th, rapidly intensifying into one of the strongest hurricanes in the Atlantic Basin. Even after Hurricane Milton moved out into the Atlantic early Thursday, the damage was immense. More than 3 million homes and businesses remained without power, with widespread flooding reported across the Tampa Bay area. A flash flood emergency was declared as more than 10 inches of rain fell within 3 hours, inundating streets and homes. Storm surges of 3 to 5 feet along the East Coast, from the First Coast to the Space Coast, prompted shelters to open for both residents and evacuees. Central Florida and Orlando faced such extreme conditions that emergency services had to stop responding to some calls, urging residents to shelter in place as the storm raged on. As Hurricane Milton moves further into the Atlantic, it will continue to bring heavy rains, gusty winds, and hazardous swells, but its full impact on Florida will be felt for days to come. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.